Interview with Dr. Phillips on whey versus soy, May 3, 2012. Based on years of research, Dr. Phillips says whey is superior to soy for muscle in aging adults. Skeletal muscle is the tissue of action, movement, force, and function. Unfortunately, time takes a toll on bodies and on muscle mass. The combination of perceived energy decline, decreased physical activity, and a blunted response for muscle growth anabolic resistance forms the association between aging and a loss in muscle mass. Sustaining this important tissue is a battle that Stuart Phillips, Ph.D., FACN, FACSM, professor at McMaster University in Ontario, Canada, has dedicated his career and his research to explore. On April 25, Dr. Phillips presented a comprehensive review of the research on dietary protein and aging at Experimental Biology 2012, in San Diego. The conference is an annual event where 6 scientific societies hold their joint scientific sessions and yearly meetings. Deeming whey as the frontrunner in the race for the optimal protein supplement for aging adults, Dr. Phillips explained that whey's muscle-retaining benefits are clearly beyond those offered by soy and other protein sources. Whey protein, he said, is uniquely superior for muscle stimulus and retention. Concluding his inquiry into protein for healthy aging, Dr. Phillips explains that protein quality, quantity, and timing act synergistically to aid in the pursuit for long-term quality of life. Isagenix caught up with Dr. Phillips at the event and afterward to gain more insight from his research. Taking a few moments to share the fruits of his pursuits, Dr. Phillips tips his hat to whey protein. Isagenix, what first interested you in studying the effects of protein on muscle? Dr. Phillips, I was an athlete all my life, playing hockey, football, rugby, and enjoying everything from swimming to triathlons. So muscle has always been near and dear to my heart, no pun, and my passion. I don't compete in sports much anymore except with my wife and my 3 boys 13, 10, and 7, who are my stiffest competition yet. So now it's about staying healthy, active, and maintaining my muscle mass, strength, and health. High-quality protein is a big part of that. Isagenix, can you explain anabolic resistance in aging? How does it relate to sarcopenia? Dr. Phillips, anabolic resistance is, as we define it, the inability of skeletal muscle in aged persons to mount a full protein synthetic response similar to that seen in the young. In other words, older people just don't put the protein they eat into their muscles as efficiently as young people. That means as we age, our muscles gradually begin to make less protein, so our muscle mass declines, otherwise called sarcopenia. Isagenix, based on your research, how does whey compare to other proteins like soy for building muscle? Dr. Phillips, soy is an excellent high-quality protein as its PDCAS protein digestibility corrected amino acid score would suggest. In fact, if you use the PDCAS scoring system, the